Hi all, I'm Stella from Renew Beauty and Head of Education for Biogel and Evo products in the UK. Sculpture's Spectra LED and UV curing lamp. Here, I love it. It cures all the gels. One lamp cures all. Fantastic news for you in the salon. So I want to talk about the key benefits and features that it has. So first of all, let's look at the back of the machine. So to start with, we've got the on and off button at the back. And this has a 30 and 60 second button as well to give you options depending on what you're curing within the gels, and a nice LCD display unit there so you can clearly see once the client has put her hand in, it will self-activate, and then you can see how it counts down. If the client has took her hand out of the lamp, don't worry, you can override the amount again by pressing either the 30 or 60 seconds. 30 seconds cure all of your most of your gels, and then you've got the white screed high pigmented gels you can use for the 60 seconds. The lamp has a couple of other features on it. It has a silicone pad, removable silicone pad on the top, so you can remove this. It's washable, so the client can rest her hands clearly on the top there. And then the unit can be cleaned with surface cleaner. Another key benefit is the lead. It's very, very long. We have 36 watt consumption for the power. It goes in obviously into the back of the lamp. Okay, so I'm just going to unplug for a second so I can show you the inside of the lamp. So I want to talk to you and show you about the resting plate here. So it's a 5-finger resting plate, so the client clearly knows where she needs to put her fingers once they're curing. And obviously we still cure the thumb separately, so just to make sure that we've got through curing on our gels. The lamp comes with little stands, and then you can pop them down ready for people to when they want to do their gel pedis. So it fits the client's feet in really nicely and comfortably and just keeps it slightly off the floor. So those stands just go back down when you've finished. And then I want to talk to you a little bit about the diodes. They have power intelligent technology, and we call this like ramp curing. So what this ramp curing does is it doesn't give you an intense cure straight away. It gives you a gradual curing over the 30 and 60 seconds. And what that does is that gives like a gentle and even cure through from the base of the gel right through to the top of the gels when you're doing your overlays. Inside there are broad spectrum diodes, and that cures the LED gels and cures the 380 to 385 range nanometer wavelength, that's what triggers your photoinitiators within the UV sculpting gel. So therefore that's why we only need to use one lamp for all of our gels, so we don't need the UV lamp anymore. So that's a great benefit for the Spectra. We take safety really seriously at Renew Beauty and Biosculpture, so that's why the diodes have undergone photobiological safety testing, and this covers the UV exposure to the skin and also the diode emitting light from the front. That's why we have this lovely new design, but obviously a lamp needs to be used as instructed. Okay, so to summarise the lamp from one tech to another, I love working with it and using it in my salon because of the comfort it gives to the client, obviously resting inside the 5-finger resting plate as well as on top to work on, and obviously the LCD display unit so I can clearly see how long I've got left, as well as the long lead. Fantastic, gives me a little bit more leeway on where I can put my lamp, and also it cures all of the gels from both Evo and Bio. So to me, it's win-win. I've really enjoyed working with it and hope you do too.